Welcome back to the channel called CAD with Mr. Hugh. We aim to become your favorite AutoCAD resource online. And in a previous video, we looked at a video entitled How to Become a CAD Engineer. So perhaps you could visit the video after you finish watching this one. In today's video, we'll be looking at how did I make the slides for for the video that was made previously. So I'm gonna go through the different things that I went through to produce the PowerPoint slides. Okay. To make the video entitled How to Become a CAD Engineer, I had to write a script so that I would be able to present the information in the video. So this is the actual script that I wrote to make the video entitled How to Become a CAD Engineer, right? Now, as you see, it's a fairly lengthy document in comparison to how long the video was, right? So what I did next was to put it on a PowerPoint. Now the question is, how are you going to put all of this information on a PowerPoint? And let me show you one way you can do it, right? What you could do, here are the different headings or titles for the different paragraphs, right? So if you are making a PowerPoint, what you can do, you put the main headings of the different categories. So on the PowerPoint, as I said, you would have the main points that you're going to speak about, such as who is a CAD engineer, for example, what are the requirements for a CAD engineer, will you have a good career as a CAD engineer, is a designer and a CAD engineer the same job functions, do you need a degree to work in a CAD environment? And a job description sample for a CAD engineer, a job summary of the CAD engineer job roles, the duties and responsibilities for a CAD engineer, and the requirements and qualifications to become a CAD engineer. So if you were making a PowerPoint presentation for yourself, this is how you would approach um, your presentation. Since you would have a lot of information on hand, you would put the main headings on the PowerPoint presentation, and then you would read from your presentation notes to present in your presentation meeting your idea that you're discussing for that particular meeting. So if you're going, for example, to the bank and you have a business idea and you want to present your idea, you would have your information, but on the PowerPoint presentation, because you would want to have about maybe what 3 minutes the most to present your business idea to the bankers, right? Because they have a lot of clients, right? And in this way, you would be able to speak about the information um in your slide by using the headings for each paragraph, right? So you wouldn't be able to put all of this information on the PowerPoint. But what you could do, you could put the headings which are highlighted in yellow in right, and these information would go on the PowerPoint. And then if you're in a real presentation, then you would use these notes to speak about the points which are listed on the PowerPoint, right? So your PowerPoint must not be cluttered, right? And it is really a summary of the information that you set out to present in your PowerPoint, this discussion or PowerPoint presentation meeting, right? So, as I said, these headings that are highlighted in yellow would be on the PowerPoint. Then you would have your PowerPoint notes, which would be this. And then on each slide that you present in your PowerPoint meeting or presentation, then as each slide that you have, you would read from the presentation notes. So what you're looking on the screen now is the presentation notes, which would be a lengthy document, while the PowerPoint would just be highlighting the main things that you'll be speaking about in your PowerPoint meeting presentation, right? This brings us to the end of today's video. In today's video, I showed you the behind scenes of how I made the video entitled How to Become a CAD Engineer. We hope that you found the information useful of how to make your PowerPoint, and I'm sure that the information will be beneficial to you. Yes, we thank you for joining us, and in the next video, we'll be looking at building drawing. So please join us in that video and like and subscribe the video if you found it helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.